When you're tired of all the choices out there and you don't know what to do, you can kick back and watch Tall Guy Eric Reviews.
Hey guys, so today we are doing an unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm doing an unboxing of the phone, the headphones, the gray kind suit armor, and I also have the light blue kind suit armor. I did already open the light blue one. I got it from Best Buy, but let's go ahead and get into this. This is just going to be a quick video showing off the unboxing process and the color that I got. I did get the titanium green. I'm not going to go through the setup process. Like I said, it's just a quick unboxing showing off that color, and let's get into it. So let's start off with the phone itself. So pretty minimal package, nothing crazy here. S25 Ultra. This is the 512 gig, unlocked directly from Samsung. So if you look here, it shows the three, if I can get that in focus, there we go. It shows the three custom colors that you can only get from Samsung's website. You've got that green, the all black, and I think that's like a pink color, but I'm not 100% sure. Go ahead and get this out of the box now. Samsung uses that very Apple-esque packaging now with the same kind of tape. Ooh, I've not seen this color. I didn't know how I would feel about it, but that's gorgeous. Let's see if we can get that on camera. Let's pull that up, see if we can get that in focus. It's really kind of hard to capture on camera, that green, but it really is gorgeous. That is really, really, really good looking. I like that a lot. I'm glad I went with this color. And it does have the natural titanium side colors. Overall, really, really good looking. I like this a lot. And then you do have this top area right here. We come out with this. You get SIM card remover tool and a very not great looking cable. And that's it for the phone itself. So that's what you get in that package. And then this is the gray kind suit from Samsung. This is their case itself. If this feels anything like the blue one does, it feels incredible. And I got this for free from Samsung's website with the extra credit. And then the blue one was actually on sale at Best Buy. I meant to order the blue one from Samsung. I accidentally ordered this gray one, but that's okay because now I have two different colors. So here's that. Very good looking case. Minimal branding, just says Samsung there. Has that leather feel. It does have microfiber inside the case itself. Feels really good. It's going to protect your phone. Let's do a side-by-side comparison of this and the blue one. Now, I wanted to get the blue silver. Yeah, that's definitely, those are two good looking cases. I'll probably switch between the two. I prefer the look of the blue, but I feel like the gray will probably hold up better over time. Unfortunately, these do not have their MagSafe built into it. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to unbox the Galaxy Buds Pro 3. Again, I got them with the Samsung credit that was given, and I've heard these are really good headphones, so I figured I'd go ahead and give them a shot. So same kind of unboxing situation, just this little plastic sticker. We remove that. In the box, we have the headphones themselves, and unfortunately, unboxing experiences don't go very far anymore because you don't get a lot. Really, if you want a great unboxing experience, you got to go with one of the Chinese phones, and those are starting to get lackluster. Like the OnePlus 13 still comes with the charger and stuff, so that's awesome, but it doesn't come with like a case or anything. So in the box we get same situation, just a little cable, manuals. Here are the headphones themselves. These are really good looking headphones. I do like these a lot. I think they're one of the few unique headphones that, so let's get this zoomed up. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, so those are good looking headphones. I'm definitely going to get these paired and try them out on the S24 Ultra. But what's interesting is while I'm recording this video, when I opened the case, it immediately popped up on my Mac with like the Samsung pairing thing, very similar to like AirPods. And I'm shocked by that because it's very weird to see that on a Mac product. But that's going to be it for this video. That is the unboxing experience. I will be doing a follow-up review in probably about a week of my experience with this. I am coming from a Pixel 9 Pro XL, so I will let you guys know how I feel about the phone, if I think it's worth the money, because these phones are getting very, very expensive. And they're starting to lose features, which is insane. But hopefully, you know, it's worth it. They do have trade-in promotions that could potentially make the phone worth the price. I got mine, I think it was $700 after my trade-in. So I will keep you guys updated on what my thoughts are for this, and you know, look forward to that video. Thanks for watching this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.
When you're tired of all the choices out there and you don't know what to do,